Welcome to the Kellanova factory, where advanced technology and skilled workers produce thousands of boxes of cereal every hour. The process begins as trucks loaded with premium corn arrive at the factory. Every load is carefully inspected before unloading. Specialists test the corn for moisture, size, and quality. Only the best corn moves to the next stage. High-speed cleaning machines remove dust, stones, and tiny impurities, leaving only clean corn behind. The cleaned corn is milled into uniform grits. Every piece must be the perfect size for even cooking. Inside giant steam cookers, the corn grits are mixed with water, sugar, salt, and malt flavoring. The cooking process develops the cereal's signature taste. After cooking, the corn rests for several hours. This allows moisture to spread evenly through every piece. Industrial dryers remove excess moisture, preparing the corn for the next important step. Massive steel rollers flatten each cooked corn grit into a thin flake. Thousands of perfectly shaped flakes move down the production line every minute.
Some cereal varieties receive a light coating of sugar, honey, or other flavors for their signature taste.
Chocolate, cinnamon, fruit, or marshmallow pieces are carefully blended with the cereal, depending on the product.
The color and texture look perfect on this batch.
Consistency is right on target.
Advanced scanners and metal detectors inspect every batch to ensure the cereal is safe for consumers. High-speed machines fill cereal into food-grade bags with incredible precision. The sealed bags are placed inside colorful cereal boxes that customers recognize on store shelves.
Each box receives production date, batch number, and expiration date for complete product tracking.
Robotic systems pack finished cereal boxes into large shipping cartons. Within days, the cereal arrives on store shelves, ready for millions of customers. Automated warehouses organize thousands of cartons, preparing them for nationwide distribution. Large trucks transport the cereal to supermarkets, grocery stores, and distribution centers across the country. Families pour fresh cereal into their bowls, adding cold milk to create one of America's favorite breakfasts.
From farm to factory to your breakfast table, every bowl of cereal represents an incredible journey of technology, precision, and quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to